Hi, I'm Ulla Robertson-Neumann and chef and owner of At Your Service and Why Catering, located in Orangeburg, New York, that is just outside of New York City. Today I'm going to show you how to make pan-fried tilapia. It's really easy to do, and here's what you need for it. For this recipe we need a tilapia fillet, slightly seasoned with salt and pepper, and 1 beaten egg. So the first thing I'm going to do is I take the fillet and submerge it in the egg wash. So I will pan fry this now in a little bit of butter, and we are ready to roll. So tilapia cooks really quick. We probably take about 2 minutes on each side. So after 2 minutes on each side, the tilapia fillet is now ready, and I like to serve it with some German potato salad, just like my mother did. And voila, here you have it, pan-fried tilapia the Ulala way.